Welcome to Gregory's Big Adventures. Let's play. Hi, my name is Gregory. This is my Lego. I built it. This is a crane. You need an app to control it. I use my own money to buy it. I did jobs to buy it. I'll show you how it works. You have to use an app to control it. So, the hook goes down and up. This goes down and up. And this goes down, and this goes up. And this goes left and right. And there's even a button if you go to this one. You just have to slide this way. There's a button on top to bring it to back where it's meant to be. And then the tracks, you push forwards and backwards to go backwards. You could do that. And the weights, those are for not letting the coin tip over. And these lift up. And go down. You can't put a minifig in here. And there's 2 battery boxes and 6 motors. Bye. Please like and subscribe. Gregory's Big Adventures.